For over 20 years, Microsoft has been providing customers in the UK with solutions that simplify the way that people communicate, helps gain business insight, driving personal productivity, and helping them change the way they do business. Anytime we get to launch new products is an exciting time. At the same time, we have to recognize the economic reality of the world that we're in today. We are starting to see some positive signs. But as we look at businesses today, they really need to make sure that their IT infrastructure is giving the best productivity tools, the best tools to the individuals in the workplace.
Clifford Chance's aim is to be the leader of an elite group of international law firms that we believe will be created over the next few years. The ease with which you can manage very large documents is one of our biggest problems. We keep 10 to 15 years of information on any one matter, so that has a huge requirement. Clifford Chance plans to deliver SharePoint to replace its document management capabilities and provide a platform to aggregate all matter-related data into a single view. The benefits are the ease with which all of those things interoperate between SharePoint and the Office products. SharePoint to us is that platform where we can build that foundational document management capability.
London Fire Brigade, we are the UK's largest fire and rescue service. We employ just over 7,000 staff, of which nearly 6,000 are firefighters. We're located in 120 sites in Greater London. We currently have a pilot in place looking at Office 2010. The plans are to deploy that environment later on this year.
Cancer Research UK are the world's leading independent organisation into the research of cancer. As a charity, we rely heavily on our supporters. We have 600 shops, we have 1,000 local fundraising groups. The key challenge for Cancer Research UK over the last few years has been how do we tackle still raising income through the recession that the world has actually gone through. The Programme Management Office within Cancer Research UK focuses primarily on the changing of the organisation to ensure that we can use the appropriate technologies to provide efficiencies and effectiveness and cost savings. Therefore, we can use more of our funds to go back into research of our scientific community.
SharePoint 2010 offers huge improvements in collaboration, sharing information and managing those documents as they go around the globe. The performance improvements we see are less training, more familiarity with the environment they're in, it being consistent across all the product suite. Our users are already familiar with the ribbon. Going forward, they're now immediately familiar with SharePoint 2010 and its incorporation of the ribbon.
We are also using Visio 2010 to integrate with both SharePoint and also with Project Server to provide a complete overview of our portfolio. Currently, the way that we produce our highlight reports is very Excel-based, Word-based type documents that we produce that takes 30 minutes a week. That's gone down to seconds. Therefore, that frees up our senior project managers and our project managers to do more value add. We've got the ability now to hold all of our risk, issue, change information, project information into a single location to enable us to make more effective decision making.
The feedback I've had from some of the users has been quite positive. The ability to lump together conversations and to either handle as one entity or to delete even is very, very useful, particularly in a high volume email environment. Particular feedback on Excel and the use of conditional formatting and the ease of producing the new graphics, etc. extensions. The PowerPoint, the ability to stream presentations and the live preview have been very, very good.
With the release of Office 2010 and SharePoint 2010, we bring the power of the cloud into the great personal and business productivity tools that we have with Office and SharePoint. The cloud computing and cloud services makes a lot of sense for a lot of businesses.
We see cloud technology as being a good catalyst for us to enable us to drive down costs, certainly our storage costs going forward in the future.
In considering cloud services, I think any organisation has to consider the regulatory environment in which it operates. Currently, the cloud is something that we're keeping a very keen eye on.
We've been successful at moving thousands and thousands of customers here in the UK into our cloud-based services. That experience and that learning that we've had can really help customers make that journey. We give them the flexibility of staying on-premise where they want to, but moving to the cloud where they need to as well.
We believe we have a very efficient ICT setup. We're keen to leverage the existing investment we've made in Microsoft products, and we're confident that the enhancements we've seen so far in the Office 2010 suite and those that we predict to use for later in the year will work well within our strategy.
We've been investing in R&D for many, many years and continue to do so. And as an organisation, this year alone, we'll spend over $9 billion on research and development. All of that R&D effort, all of that innovation is available for you as our customers. So I'd encourage you to stay on the site and explore the virtual launch environment. You also get to hear from the President of Microsoft Business Division, Stephen Elop. We're really excited about launching the next generation of business productivity tools, the launch of Microsoft Office 2010 and SharePoint 2010, and what they will bring for businesses here in the UK now and in the future.